to show you how to make a banana smoothie. The ingredients are all here. 3 tablespoons of granola, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, a cup of milk, some ice cubes, 2 bananas, spoons, and a little knife, and a blender. Now let's cut the banana. Let's put all the ingredients in the blender. Before you start blending, make sure there's no spoons and no hands inside the blender at all times. Now let's start blending. Did it for around 1 minute. Let's check it out.
Make sure your hand does not touch the razor blades of the blender, or your hand might get cut.
Let's pour. Now it's time to garnish the drink. For my dish, I'm going to be using some bananas, granola, and some mint leaves. For you can use any fruits or other toppings that you want to garnish your drink.
First, add some granola on top. Then add some bananas on top too. Finally, add some mint leaves together with the granola and banana.
This smoothie has high protein and is good for breakfast. You can also make it for your family. I hope you enjoy. Bye!